Well, if you go through the worst storms I've ever come across, this is now in the top 5. We're approaching 11 inches, it's 4 a.m. And for some reason they're already plowing. The wind is just roaring where it can. It's a blocked in area. And I am out here in shorts, no jacket, and I already want to go inside. Why the fuck are they plowing? It's 4 a.m. Storm's half over. What a waste. Kill the rest of this camera's battery. Because I'm going to bed after this one. If I don't get pneumonia first. Alright, I've had enough.